Welcome back to Murphy's Odyssey. If you've been following along, we just crossed the halfway point and left Acadia National Park and into New Hampshire. In this episode, we're starting at the top, literally. Today we'll take you up the Mount Washington Auto Road in New Hampshire as we kick off our road trip through the rest of New England, where winding roads meet personal memories, historic landmarks, and a scoop of ice cream or two. Let's hit the road. Mount Washington is the highest peak in the Northeast, and the auto road has been challenging drivers since 1861. It's steep, narrow, and absolutely breathtaking. As we climb, the trees shrink and the views stretch all the way to Canada. It's windy, cold, and completely wild up here.
Highest wind ever recorded. Are you feeling it?
While we didn't take it this time, the cog railway is something we'll certainly do in the future. The views up here really were amazing, and seeing the people actually hiking the Appalachian Trail or hiking from the very bottom up to the summit of Mount Washington was really impressive. You'll want to take your time as you go back down the mountain so that you don't overheat your brakes. After leaving the auto road, we made a quick stop in Franconia, New Hampshire. There we visited the Franconia glider port, a place that my dad had a hand in building and once operated. It's really cool to see that it's still operational. Unfortunately, there weren't any planes flying this day as the weather was not the greatest. From New Hampshire, we rolled into Vermont, a place I once called home. It's green, it's peaceful, and every twist in the road brings back a memory. Our first stop, Bradford. Bradford is where I started elementary school, and we got to visit one of the parks that was built during my time there. It was really awesome to see it just as I remember and see the kids play on it just the way I did as a kid. Something I was really surprised and excited to see that it was still in business was a local pizza place called Colatina's Exit. This is a place I celebrated my 6th birthday as a child, and the pizza is just as I remembered. It was really great to share that with my family. While I wish we could have stayed longer in Bradford and brought back more memories of my childhood, it was time to move on, and we wanted ice cream before the day was over. So we visited Ben & Jerry's ice cream factory in Waterbury. No trip through Vermont is complete without a stop at Ben & Jerry's factory. It's quirky, colorful, and delicious. We were able to do the short factory tour, enjoy some specialty ice cream that is not available to the public yet, and also get a scoop for ourselves. What's your favorite flavor? After our ice cream, it was time to call it a day, and we headed to our hotel in Burlington. We awoke to a beautiful sunny morning, which was great because our next adventure on this trip was going to provide us really stunning views, and having a clear sunny morning was key. We made the short trip from Burlington to Charlotte, Vermont to board the Lake Champlain ferry. The ferry would take us across the lake to New York and provide us a shorter route in our journey through New England. It also gave us a moment to just float, relax, and take in the views. Once in New York, we made our way to Rome. This may not be the Rome that you think of visiting, but it was a great place for us to stop, stretch our legs, and see some history. Fort Stanwix is a reconstructed Revolutionary War fort that tells a powerful story of resistance and diplomacy. After Fort Stanwix, we continued west onto our next stop in New York. One the kids really enjoyed, and we did as well, and we think you'll find exciting too. So join us next week as we visit our next stop through our 17-day journey on our way back to Nebraska. If you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to be alerted to when we post new videos, please also hit that reminder button. We'll see you next time on Murphy's Odyssey.